Wayne's garden. We are in the backyard, just relaxing before I start working. And what we're doing today, September 12th, we are harvesting the potatoes out of the 6 bags over there. All the tomato plants that we have in pots, harvesting them because they're already dying off. Some of the flowers around the yard, I am harvesting them, throwing out all the plants, throwing in the compost or the city compost if their roots big or if they're too big. All the earth from all the pots that I have will go into the garden over there. And I'm not going to do garlic this year in that big garden. I'm going to probably do it on the smaller garden, the triangle one, just a couple garlic. And that's about it, what we're going to do. And off we go. Okay. Hello, everybody. Good morning. September 12th. And I am going to harvest those potatoes today. They are looking not the greatest in the world. So these are the low-carb potatoes, Adora, that I got from Patterson's greenhouse in Headingley, Manitoba. Anyway, Aston's here. He always helps. Let's get the coffee so it's on a level area. So I got the wheelbarrow, one of my 2. So I think I'm going to just dump the whole thing into the wheelbarrow, and I'll have to get the other wheelbarrow or this other smaller wheelbarrow thing, gardening wheelbarrow I have, and I'll probably put the potatoes in here, but I'll put a blanket, I believe. I think I have some old sheets in the garage here. Oh yeah, there we go. So we'll put the potatoes on here, so when I get done, put it on the grass, and they should be dry because I haven't watered it probably in a week, so knowing that it's going to be done soon. So we'll just put this in here. So we'll put the potatoes right in there, mud and all, whatever. So anyway, so I'm going to start doing this. Now these things are going to be heavy, so just want to make sure that everybody can see me, so I'm just going to lift that up a little higher. So okay, so do the first one here. So might have to get the knife out. That came off very easy. Okay, so put that there. Oh, that has become really light compared to what it was when it was full of moisture. But I think there must be potatoes in here because I see there's a big clump right here. Oh yeah, look at that. One big one just came out. It's still moist down there. There we go. And all this earth is going to go into the garden. Well, how many did I get out of this? We'll see. Well, another big one. Two small ones. Holy shit, look at that one. Okay, that's a big one. There's the root from the main plant. Is that all we got out of this? Got a few little bitty ones. Wow. Thought for sure we're going to get more out of this. No, oh, there's one. There's another one, way in the bottom. Smaller ones. You in trouble, mister? Puppy. Okay. Oh, little bitty one. Okay. Oop, threw some dirt in there. Okay, so I'm gonna put this in the garden way over there. We still have to rototill that. The garden over here. We'll put the earth on that in here. That's a lot of bloody earth. And if I see any potatoes, boy, that's a nice looking earth that comes out of that pots. But yeah, we'll have to rototill this under. So there's going to be 6, so that's going to fill up that really, really well. So we have lots of pots to get rid of. We have or tomato plants on a lot of pots, so we're going to be taking care of that too today. So we'll cut those off later. Pull that. Okay, so the next one. But before we go and do the next one, so one real large one and a bunch of little ones. So really, one big, 4 large or medium, and 2 little babies in the bottom. So get your nose out of there, mister. I know you smell stuff. You smell the good stuff, don't you? Okay, next one. Am I going to do this next year? I don't know, hopefully. Oh, there's... Oh, yeah. I think this one has a few more potatoes in here. I think there's a couple bags here that I put more than 2 seed potatoes in. So, already, it's pretty wet in there. 4, 5, 6... small one. 7, oh, more. 8, 9. Feed through here. There's another one. No, not bad. Not bad at all. Oh, do I feel another one in there? Probably not. Oh, there's another one. Very small. But you know what? These are low carb. I'm already huffing and puffing, getting a good little workout here. There we go. I don't see it anymore. Okay, so we'll throw that into the garden way over there. This mixture of topsoil and compost from the city of Winnipeg made a real good mixture, and then we put it back into the garden. Oh, potato came out. Okay, potatoes. There was more. 2 potatoes. Potato came out. We've got another 2 more. Yeah, we're going to be rototilling the garden over here with the small rototiller that attaches to the weed whacker. And again, I'm sniffling like crazy. There we go. Couple more. Don't have a knife. Maybe I should get a knife. Aston, what are you licking water in there for? Silly. Yeah, there's no water out here for him. Okay, there's the gardening shears. Small shears. It's not It's not a good knife for the string, but it will take care of the stalks here. Put it over there. We're going to pick that up later. Okay. So that first one that we had, there was a big ball on the side. So that was that real large potato that we pulled out of that first one. Here's another ball. You see the ball right here, like a bump right there. Maybe I should have stopped watering a couple weeks ago. Saw this. Oh yeah, there's some. Saw people using these bags on the internet, on YouTube, gardening. I used to use these bags for tomatoes, and then I started using the Home Depot buckets for all my tomato plants. Oh yeah, there we go. Whoa, that's 3 altogether. Good size one. 4. There's the big clump of roots and everything from the original. Put that over there. Wonder if there's any more. I wasn't munching that one. Oh, there's a nice good size one there. Fish through here. Maybe another one will come out. There's a couple more roots. Oh, little bitty ones. Oh, another good size one. Oh, I think I feel one on the bottom here. No, it's a clump of earth. Like I said, this is a real good mixture. That compost from the city of Winnipeg was excellent. Still have a garbage can full of it over here at the gardening table. It's all closed up for the winter. Probably use it in the spring for pots and things. I still have to get some small pots to bring in the lavender into the house for the winter. I want to put them in real good pots. Oh yeah, there we go. Oh yeah. Yeah, so those other 3 bags should take up almost most of this garden. That's good because I made those raised beds for the garden over here after I planted the garlic, of course, last fall. So, next one. Yeah, I know I'm breathing heavy. Oh, that felt pulled out really easy right there. Okay, don't see anything bulging on this one. Hopefully we got more. This could be Thanksgiving's potatoes, I think. Oh, there we go. Medium size. Oh, there's some. Wait, oh yeah, here we go. So that's 5 altogether so far. Almost looks like some worms are in here too. Oh yeah, there's more. Whew. There's some. Good size one there. Earth is very wet still. There's another one. Small one. Get these roots out of here. Put them in the compost later. Let them dry out. This one doesn't have as much compost in it, it looks like. Wow. It's a good little workout here. Hands are dirty. Shows I'm doing some work around here. Oh, jeez. Shovel. Little gardening shovel was in the garden. I just saw the tip of the handle sticking up. So all I need is hit that with the rototiller. Plane's going over. Oh, 2 left. And then we'll put this pellet away. Put the pellet away. Probably up against these trees here. Okay, well, that would be right now that's a small bag of potatoes from the Sobeys store. Wouldn't be the bag from Costco. Far from that much. I think this is a hell of a lot better than the last time I grew potatoes. 2 small ones there so far. Oh, another three medium small. I think that big one I want to make it as a baked potato. So these are low carb. That's the kind we need. That might be it. Oh, there's more. See in the bottom where I planted those seeds. That's where we're getting a lot of good ones. There are actually worms in here. I don't know how they got in there, but they got in there. Could have been in the compost from the city. Could have actually been in the compost. Cooking. Oh, there's another one. Little bitty one. You would think that these, being out there for so long in the whole summer, they get bigger. Potatoes, there's another small one. A couple small ones. A couple medium-sized ones in this bag. Nothing spectacular, but maybe I might do more next year. More seed potatoes in each bag. Maybe that's the key too. I don't know. Maybe higher concentration of compost. Get some cow manure, chicken manure. That would make it grow faster and bigger. So that's 5 loaves into the garden. Push it a little bit. There might be some more potatoes in there. Okay. So we'll have to rake all that around, and like I say, we'll pull out the the cultivator / rototiller. Wow. Okay, do I have to move that camera a little bit over? Yeah, you can see it. Oh, you know what I really need right now? It's a swill of my coffee. Tim Hortons. Of course. There's some tomatoes in here that are shriveling up. I'll have to put them in the compost. The dog has been enjoying the tomatoes that he could reach. He likes eating them. So, like these cherry. This year, when I planted these cherry, the Snow Whites, I've been cutting them short. Cutting them off on the top so they don't go 6-8 feet high like they've done in previous years. Want them to bush a little more. But they are a climber. That's the problem with them. Whew. Yeah, we should have stopped watering. I think we're going to have to put more holes on the bottom. Or put sand or whatever, gravel on the bottom. For better. Oh, there they go. There's some. 2. what. Oh, there's a few. There's definitely a few in there. Aston, come on, get out of there. Medium-sized one. A little bigger than medium. Oh, good size one there. There's the roots and the stalks. Me, small one. Like there's some real babies in. I've noticed some of them. There's a small baby. Real small ones in there. More roots. And that's the last one. Oh, I do feel something back there. Oh, it's just a clump of earth. Some of this black earth is that I put in here is from Home Depot, the cheap bag of black earth. Nothing wrong with it. Never had a problem. Oh, sorry. Oh, dusty. There we go. Holy cats, there's a lot of earth in there. But it's going to swallow it up pretty fast. Anyway, so we have our potatoes. So I'm going to put it like this. I have to clean them. We'll clean them on the grass. Don't. See if you could see them. Oh, there we go. I have to move the camera a little bit lower. So there we go. There's that big sucker. Like, holy crap. So we'll take them over to the grass over close to the water. We'll wash them down and go from there. 21 minutes and 31 seconds we did here. Okay, so we're going to pause here on this spot and then we'll do some pots of the tomatoes and clean that up and start putting stuff into the compost. So, alright, that's end of part 1 of this video. We're back. Cleaning time. See, that's not much, but there's some pretty good sized ones. No, I don't want that. Oh yeah, that'll come clean. Can't have it out in the sun for too long. Don't want to have it outside in the sun. There on the good clean side, and then we'll put it in the gazebo. Oh, there's a big clump of mud on there, but look at the size of some of these. See what I'm doing. Aston doesn't know what the fuck it is. Good thing. It's yummy when they're cooked. When they're cooked. I think the big one, I'm going to have it as the baked potato. It's low carb for my diet. Trying to lose more weight. There we go. We're just going to put it on the gazebo table Put it on there. Out of the sunlight. Boy, is it dusty in here. The table is just disgusting in here. There we go. Might have to just bring it right into the house, to the downstairs, to the bar, and just wash them there. Okay, and Aston's just sniffing around, of course. Okay, just started moving the earth around in here, so I'm going to be dumping more of this earth from the pots now. The other pots, some dry. I've already emptied some pots in here. Planters that had some flowers in the back, the marigolds. That's already died off because of the lack of rain and not watering enough because I'm not always here. Oh, another potato. Hopefully Aston doesn't get it. We have to empty the rain barrels back here because I don't think I'm going to be watering anymore. Again, I'm going to be rotilling this under. May not need to because the base is quite low here. See? Okay, so that's... So we have 4 pots, 3 pots, another 3. So we got quite a few pots left of earth we could put in here. Other earth will go over in the bed right there. I do have new rhubarb. Where do I plant? Back where it was, or in the triangle? I think I might plant it in the triangle bed right there. Hopefully. Aston, don't get out of there. He's eating leaves and grass. Get out of there, mister. Come on, out of the garden. And don't knock over the statues, you crazy puppy. Okay. Again, I got the massive sniffles. We're going to move you around. So, we'll get a small container. I think we have a Home Depot bucket. Rinse it out. We'll put, if we have tomatoes, we'll put them in there. Let me rinse it. Real small bucket here. Let's go get one of my rags and just wipe that out. So we still have some aromas on these other plants and some regular tomatoes. Whatever is no good, I'll just put it into the gardening wheelbarrow here for the compost. I will be getting quite a few of those in the garden where I see some beefsteak that are already, the black trim that are already rotting on the vine because they're so thick of foliage you can't see it. Okay, so we have, so these are just regular tomatoes that have turned already, and I'll pick all these. Some of them are orange, some of them are yellow. Get them all. Not going to get the greens. Here's a few aromas, just a couple. The rest of those go out to the back here on the driveway. Couple aromas, very, very small. They're going to be more of munching on food. I can take one and bite into it. Okay, so those are those ones. So put that over there. Go get my clips and my coffee. There was that. Found the other potato that fell on the ground that I threw. Now it's in the gazebo now on the table with all the other ones. Once they dry or get something close to being dry, I'll bring them into the house. Aston's overseeing. Lying down on the grass here, well, dried up grass. Everything's gone into dormancy for weeks and weeks and weeks. Oh, good coffee. Good TVs. Okay, so this will be all the plants and whatever for the compost. There's a tomato there, but who cares? Oh, got stuck. These are Manitobans, are they? Or what are they? Yeah, the sign says Roma, but they were not. So, got some stuff all mixed up because there's so many pots that I had. No big deal. They were Manitobas, I could tell, because of what they look like. They were definitely Manitobas. Okay, so we'll put the earth I'm going to put in there. Yeah, or should I? You know what? Yeah, I think I said this before. The small gardening wheelbarrow will be for compost. And the other one will be for the earth, the pot. Small pots should really use the Home Depot pots. And I did put styrofoam in here, so we'll take the styrofoam out. Maybe that, it's so dry here that maybe I shouldn't have put the styrofoam. It was well draining. So a lot of roots in here. Oh, boy, that thing rooted really well. Not going to get much earth for the garden. You know, that's going to go for the city compost. Let's get a bag. Free weekend this weekend. Oh, I need some gardening bags. Free weekend. That means whatever you don't want, put it out into your driveway onto your boulevard and put free on it, and people could take it. So I think a lot of cities in North America have that. So our fall free giveaway is this weekend. Okay, next. Am I cutting the tomatoes, Austin? Because you love eating tomatoes. Never seen a dog like tomatoes so much. Like, it's crazy how much he likes tomatoes. Like, it's insane. It's totally insane how much this dog loves tomatoes. Okay, there's our cage. Next. Oh, is that ever light? It's like air. It's like air. So we're going to put styrofoam back in there. So we have a place to put it. I'll put it all in a bag in the garage or the shed for next year for the pots. Yeah, styrofoam's a hell of a lot better than. Maybe I should chop all those styrofoam up. Okay. So this is. That's the root system. Like, get good root system on these tomatoes if it's in a good soil. Like, goes into the city of Winnipeg compost, which was picked up today, but couldn't get to it. Couldn't get to this job today, well, not before today, because it's called work. Gotta work. Can't wait for retirement. Then I'll have to have a part-time job to pay for plants and pay for hobbies, and trains cost a fortune. Went to my neighborhood hobby shop this morning after doing my oil change on the car, and I just needed a 30-inch long flex track for the N-scale layout. And I'm just thinking, oh, maybe there might be some on consignment. There was. Pack of 6. Guy wanted on consignment. They wanted $35. I go, well, how much is it brand new that she sells? So altogether, would have been $29. They're almost $30 for 3 tracks. Do the math. So almost paid the same amount and got double the amount. Am I going to use it? Probably in time. Not at the second. But I will use it. This one doesn't have any styrofoam in it. So, boy, oh boy, is this ever rooted. The thing about these tomatoes, they sure root really, really well. Let's move you over slightly so you can see. So, like, I've already done how many pots? 3 pots now. This is all the earth I've gotten out of 3 pots. Hopefully, it's good I have a whole bunch of pots because I need more earth in those gardens. I'm going to probably put more of the earth from the raised beds in those over there. We'll see. Whatever's easier. Or I'll just buy more bags or get another load of earth and get more compost next year from the city. Okay, so that's 3 of those ones. Let's get this closer. We'll take all this pellets and everything out of here once we're done. Get back to... Boy, I shook you really good there, didn't I? Shake, shake, shake. Boom, boom, boom. I might even put those in the city of Winnipeg compost, because I may have way too much for the compost here in that backyard. And the dog is scratching on his behind. He's rolling around. He's making a big grunting noise. He doesn't know that we could hear him. Amount of roots. And it's so light. Okay, is there styrofoam there? Nope. There's paper. So this will go into the city of Winnipeg. I sometimes use the shredded office paper from the office downstairs. Or whatever paper we do shred it. It's already starting to decompose. Last year I did a video on the putting shredded paper in the compost bin outside, and I went digging in it. Like it's getting pretty close to being totally composted. It's all mushy and like, holy crap, I could It's, saw that on YouTube, so trying to still learn stuff. I try to share what I do. That's what I do with these channels. 4 channels I have. Really 3 major channels. Well, 2, one's gardening, one's trains, right? Model trains. The other one is a gaming one. I just post all my videos of me gaming. And that's just an archive, that's all it is. If people want to watch it, they can watch it. If not, they can do whatever they want. It's free. Free archive. And there's the main channel where I post everything except for gaming. And we have a 5th channel, which is a family channel that nobody could see. Just us. If I have something for the family, then I could post it on there, and only family members could see it. Again, it's an archive, using YouTube as an archive for my videos that I don't want to use the computers. Don't go in there, mister. So, okay, so we have, so that's the first load for 4 of these pots. So we're going to move you over here. And you're going to see me dump it. Aston, I know you're looking for tomatoes. Tomato. There's toys everywhere. You letting him in? Why? That dog goes in now. Okay, so we have those bricks I have to put over there where the back door is, right over there, and that will be, and I'll put one of those pellets on top of it, then that will be for the compost for the winter. So we put garbage cans with bags, compost right there. So ending this part. Okay. Next bunch of them. We do have some aromas, but most of them are green. We're just going to yank them out. Gone. Just yank them. Okay, where's the knife? Where's the cutter? Right over there. Okay, got it. These are all aromas. Let's see if I can cut it like this. No, probably not. Pretty small plants in these pots. Like, I've had pots, the Home Depot pots, and they're massive plants in previous years. These small ones, good enough for flowers or herbs or whatever. Like this plant, these plants are Egyptian walking onions. Some of them have been walking, but some of them are just looking like more of onions than anything else. So, well, these ones are pretty big. I don't know. Still blooming. Stuff is still blooming out here. Yeah, we're still putting them in the second compost heap. The small one. The big one has to be taken care of. Which means turned. Some of the herbs haven't been all that good this year either. They're pretty crappy looking. So this one. A couple big green ones in there. Yeah. Wow. Oh, that was really almost hard to pull out. Still have to get a knife to take the strings off. Again, the bag that's right here, that's for the roots, because I'm not going to put it in my compost. Let the city have it.
Hey.
Yeah.
Okay, so I just put my heater on just to warm up because I'm frozen.
Yeah, and?
Well, it's like turning on and it says 30, but I'm trying to push the down button.
Yeah.
It won't go down.
Turn off the switch on back, wait a minute, and then turn it back on. It may have to pull it out from your
Well,
wall.
yeah, it's pulled out.
But see how dirty the back is. If it's dirty, get the vacuum and vacuum it.
Because like it's not even a year old yet.
I know, it's not even a year old. Take two. Oh, maybe I just... This will take over to the compost heap, because we need that for the earth. You stay away from the onion, mister. So I forgot to bring back the small bin, gardening bin. Good tomato. Back in the garden over there. Shredded paper. Really don't want it in my compost. That is still bloody wet. I stopped watering it over a week ago. I haven't had much rain, but the root bar, I'm thinking of a bar already. It is very small in that pot. Oh, more earth in that one than the other ones. Oh, look at that paper towel, or paper I should say. Just sopping wet. Wow. That did not drain very well. Like I say, I just watered it. A week ago was the last time I watered them. Like, over a week ago. I know we haven't had very much rain. Like, holy crap. That'll mix nicely in the garden. Dirty hands again. There's 3 more of these kind of pots that's on the driveway that we have to do. More paper. I think I might have to stop using the shredded paper just because it's not letting it drain out very well. Nobody there. Ain't nobody there. There we go. And the puppy. It's not bad. It doesn't have very much compost in this bunch. In fact, it really doesn't have very much at all. Just earth from those bags. Okay, so that's a pretty good load for the garden. Next year, just buy more earth, because once it's in a pot, it loses a lot of its goodness. Because that's when you get the blossom end rot, when you don't change out the earth enough. So we're gonna pause this section of the video and do the other pots in the driveway, but I won't videotape that. All right, I'll be back in a minute or two. Well, I'm tired. Wow. I think that's it for now. Harvested the potatoes, did the flowers, the tomatoes I harvested, put all of the plants, everything in the compost. Main compost, put some city compost for some of the big roots from the pots, and some of the tomatoes out front. Harvested some of those and put all those plants and roots for the city for their compost collection. So that's it for pre-lull in the backyard video. I haven't even eaten today. What time is it now? Wow, 1:30, September 12th. Anyway, catch you later, okay? Have a good day. Like and subscribe. All right. Take care. Bye.